In a corner of this busy life, found a smile that lights the way. Whispers of your gentle laugh in the softest shades of gray. Through the ups and downs we face, every tear and every grace, holding on to what we found in the moments that surround. Tiny joys that fill our days in the simplest quiet ways. A love that blossoms in the air, growing stronger everywhere. In the echo of your tender voice, found the strength to carry on. Even in the midst of noise, you're the calm before the dawn. Through the storms that come and go, in the light and in the glow, we embrace the here and now, with a love that shows us how. Tiny joys that fill our days in the simplest quiet ways. A love that blossoms in the air, growing stronger everywhere. Through the storms that come and go, in the light and in the glow, we embrace the here and now, with a love that shows us how. Tiny joys that fill our days in the simplest quiet ways. A love that blossoms in the air, growing stronger everywhere. Every step and every turn, with each lesson that we learn, we find solace in the rain and a comfort in the pain. Tiny joys that fill our days in the simplest quiet ways. A love that blossoms in the air, growing stronger everywhere. In the moment shared with you, found a world that's bright and new. With our hearts entwined as one, facing forward, life begun. In this moment, everything is clear. The world fades away, and you're standing near. Every step feels like a promise made. A life together, love won't fade. And the music softly plays, guiding me. With every heartbeat, I believe that we're writing our own story side by side. The journey begins with this stride. Walk into you, than words can reach. Two hearts beat as one complete. With each step we find our feet. Walk into you, all of the world fades away. All that matters is what we choose today. Hand in hand, we're making it through. With every step, I'm walking to you. Walking to you as our story unfolds. Every step marks the love we hold. Hand in hand, forever we'll stay. With every step, love leads the way. In a room full of smiles and love so bright, we gather here on this special night. Hand in hand, we've come so far, with memories written in every star. To our friends and family near, your love has brought us here. In your hearts we found our way. Thank you for this beautiful day. Through the laughter and the tears we've known, every step we've never been alone. With your guidance and your care, we've built a love that's true and rare. To the ones who stood by our side, in you our hopes and dreams reside. With every cheer and every smile, you've made this journey worthwhile. Now we step into a new dawn's light, with a promise to hold each other tight. Grateful for the moments we share, for every time you show you care. To the friends who helped us see what love and life are meant to be, with open hearts we celebrate this bond that we'll never separate.